Good morning. This is our latest dual printing system that we're introducing. Basically, it is two Citizen CL-S621s. There's a roll of yellow reflective in here and a roll of white reflective in here. And this is our print server, and this can come in three different varieties depending upon your setup. And the idea is that you don't once you've fed material in, which you can see is just sat in there, you don't need to feed again. So I've got my phone accessing the software, and I'm going to print to the first one, and I'm going to print to the second one. And you can see how simple that is. There are perforations here, and we just tear off the plate and go and make it up. Tear off that one. And you can also control the number of prints you have. So I can't remember which way around, which one is yellow and which one is white, but this will demonstrate. So I'm printing 2 to that printer, and I'm printing 1 to that printer. And that's it, and it just keeps going. You can buy the reflective rolls in 50s, 100s and 200s. You can have either the software installed in this box and you access it on Wi-Fi, or you can access it through our online portal. This system comes in at under £1,000, and that includes the 2 printers and the server.